Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is an Enco 13x40 gearhead lathe. It was made in the People's Republic of China. It has one of the old Sargon 2-axis digital readouts that was made in the USA. That was standard equipment on a Enco lathe at the time. Has a D14 spindle. The spindle hole is 1.5 inches. The motor is 1.5 horse, single phase, 110 or 220 volts. It's currently wired for 220 volts. It is a gap bed, and it doesn't appear that the gap has been removed. X-axis, Y-axis, I don't see any crash marks on the compound. I have the steady rest. The tailstock has a Morse taper number 3. I have the other set of jaws, change gears, faceplate, emergency switch does work, power start, and this is direction, forward, reverse, and right now it's in power feed. Cross feed. Longitudinal feed. Change the direction is right here. Feeding out and towards the headstock. So I know right now it is on number 2. You just move a belt to put it into speed range 1. So at the time we are in A1. So A1 is 220 RPM. So if we want to put it slower, we can go B1, and that'll put us at 60. It does have jog too. And let's go ahead and put it in threading too. So now the lead screw should be turning. Half nut engagement lever. Have the thread dial, but that's not swung in to engage the lead screw right now. But overall, it looks to be in pretty good condition. Thanks for looking.